What's up, HB shoppers and savers, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time saving with us. We're headed over to HEB this week, as you guessed it, for another week of deals. This week we have some pretty good laundry care deals that you can do, as well as some incredible personal care scenarios. And like always, all you need is your phone to score these deals, so let's head on over to HEB and I'll show you all of the best deals that you can grab this week. Now, I don't know what we did to get into HEB's good graces, but we have another grocery freebie again this week. In the My HEB app, you either got a free coupon for a pint of Swoon ice cream or for a bag of the HEB corn chips. All you have to do to claim that offer is clip the coupon, grab the corresponding product, and then take it up to the register, scan the barcode in the My HEB app, and it'll be completely free. Moving on to the rest of the grocery deals, we have these bottles of Tabasco hot sauce that are priced at $1.90, and we have an unlimited $1 off digital coupon, making these 90 cents each. These 2-pound bags of Ambrosia apples are priced at $2.97, and there's an unlimited $2 digital coupon, making each bag only 97 cents. This deal is back for the Ito and Tea and Milk. These bottles are priced at $1.98 each, and there's a $1 off unlimited digital coupon, making each one 98 cents. The jars of Rebate salsa are priced at $2.82, and in the My HEB app, there's an unlimited $1 off digital coupon. With that coupon, you'll pay $1.82 at the register, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for 75 cents cash back. Now, something to be mindful of is that there are 3 separate Ibotta rebates for the 3 separate varieties of hot sauce. So make sure you're submitting your receipt for the correct rebate, and if you redeem 2 separate offers, you'll get an extra 50-cent bonus. Each of the offers has a limit of 3, and without the bonus, each jar is $1.07. For the next deal, you want to grab a pack of the HEB Mi Tienda Tostadas priced at $2.18, as well as an HEB Mi Tienda Salsa priced at $3.20. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy the tostadas, you're going to get the salsa for free. That leaves you to pay $2.18 for both, or $1.09 each. The 6-count pack of HEB mini soda cans are priced at $2.50 on sale, down from $3.48 each. You want to grab at least 2 packs, and then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy one, you're going to get the second for free. With that coupon, you'll be left to pay $2.50 out of pocket for both, or just $1.25 per pack. Select boxes of Cheez-It crackers are priced at $3.77, but right now in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited digital coupon to make 2 $5. For this specific deal, you want to grab 2 boxes of the smoked Gouda variety, and you'll pay $5 out of pocket with that coupon. You then want to take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 back for each box, for a total of $2. That makes your final net total of $3 for both, or $1.50 each. Since the coupon is unlimited and the Ibotta offer has a limit of 5, you can grab up to 4 boxes for that $1.50 net total. In similar fashion, we have this unlimited digital coupon that'll make 2 boxes of popsicles $8. For this deal, you can mix and match any 2 boxes of the Buzz Lightyear or Spider-Man varieties priced at $5.64 each. With the coupon, you'll be left to pay $8 out of pocket for both, but then you want to check your fetch account for this offer for 2,000 points, or $2 per box. Since you're buying 2, you'll get back a total of 4,000 points, or $4, making your final net total for both boxes $4, or $2 each. The fetch offer does have a limit of 5, so you can grab up to 4 boxes for that $2 net total. There's another Combo Loco deal where you can buy any of the HEB cold dips priced at $4.98, as well as a bag of the HEB Mi Tienda pork cracklins, also priced at $3.98. You'll grab one of each, and then in the My HEB app, clip this unlimited digital coupon. When you buy the dips, you're going to get the pork cracklins for free. That makes your final net total $3.98 for both, or $1.99 each. My store was out, but the 6-count packs of San Pellegrino sparkling waters are priced at $6.98 each, and right now in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited digital coupon to make 2 $10. You'll pay $10 out of pocket for both, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2 back for each one, for a total of $4. After both offers, your final net total for both is $6, or $3 each. If you're not currently saving with Ibotta or Fetch, I do have links for both of those down in the description below, and when you sign up for one or both, you will unlock a welcome bonus. Moving on to our personal care deals, up first we have these Shea Moisture Bar Soaps. They're priced at $5.98, and in the My HEB app, we have a $2 digital coupon. With that coupon, you'll pay $3.98 at the register, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 cash back, making your final net total for 1 bar 98 cents. Next, you can grab 2 bottles of the HEB melatonin tablets priced at $2.95 each, and clip this $3 off to unlimited digital coupon. After that coupon applies at checkout, you'll be left to pay $2.90 out of pocket for both, or $1.45 each. This unlimited $2.50 digital coupon is valid on a variety of the Bic disposable razors. However, the cheapest option is to grab the Bic Soleil Simply Smooth razors priced at $3.97. And with that coupon, you'll be left to pay $1.47 per pack. This Crest 3D White Stain Eraser Toothpaste is priced at $3.49, and we have a $2 digital coupon in the My HEB app, making one of these $1.49. There's also this multi-pack of Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $3.97, and we have this $2 digital coupon in the My HEB app, making one pack $1.97. Another easy personal care deal that you can do is grab a pack of these Gillette Venus Colors razors priced at $5.97 and clip this $3 digital coupon, and you'll pay just $2.97 at the register for one. Just like the bar soap deal, you can grab one bottle of the Shea Moisture Body Wash priced at $11.98 and clip this $4 digital coupon. You'll pay $7.98 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 cash back, making your final net total $3.98. Next, you can grab 2 packs of the Always Maxi Pads priced at $6.27 each and clip this $3 off 2 digital coupon. That'll leave you to pay $9.54 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $2 back for each pack for a total of $4. That makes your final net total for both $5.54 or $2.77 each. For this personal care scenario, you either want to grab a bottle of the Dove shampoo or conditioner priced at $4.84, as well as a bottle of Dove shampoo or conditioner priced at $5.84 and clip this $4 off 2 digital coupon. You also want to grab a bottle of Dove body wash priced at $7.97 and clip this $3 digital coupon, and either a bottle of the Dove serum or Dove plant milk body wash priced at $9.97 and clip this $3 digital coupon. Here's an example of the items that you should have in your cart, and since you're grabbing over $9 worth of participating Dove hair care products, you also want to piggyback this $3 off $9 basket coupon. Since you are grabbing over $15 worth of participating Dove body care products, you also want to piggyback this $5 off $15 basket coupon. And finally, since you're grabbing over $25 worth of participating Dove personal care items, you want to piggyback this $5 off $25 basket coupon. After all coupons apply at the register, you'll be left to pay $5.62 plus tax out of pocket. For the final personal care deal, you want to grab any Nexus hair care product priced at $15.98 and clip this $4 off coupon in the My HEB app. Since you're grabbing over $15 worth of participating Nexus products, you also want to piggyback this $5 off $15 basket coupon. That's a total of $9 in savings, which will leave you to pay $6.98 out of pocket for one. For our first household deal, you want to grab 2 bags of the Blue Buffalo Bones dog treats priced at $4.98 and clip this unlimited 30% off coupon. That coupon will take off $1.49 per bag, so $2.98, leaving you to pay $6.98 out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back for each bag for a total of $4, and you'll get a 50-cent bonus on Ibotta. You also want to check your fetch account for this offer for 1,000 points or $1 when you buy 2. Your final total after all offers is $1.48 or 74 cents each. For this next deal, you want to grab the original variety of the Armor All Protectant Wipes priced at $4.57 and clip this $2 digital coupon, which will leave you to pay $2.57 at the register. You can then submit your receipt to Ibotta for an additional 50 cents cash back, making your final net total $2.07. The coupon is unlimited and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5. For the first laundry care scenario, you want to grab a pack of the Arm & Hammer Deep Clean Packs priced at $9.48. A pack of the Arm & Hammer Deep Clean Free and Clear packs priced at $9.48, and also a pack of the Arm & Hammer 5-in-1 packs priced at $8.26. Here's an example of the items that you should have in your cart, and the retail value for all 3 items is $27.22. Since you're grabbing over $25 worth of participating laundry care products, you also want to clip this $5 off $25 basket coupon, which will leave you to pay $22.22 at the register. You then can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $4 back for the regular Deep Clean pack, $4 back for the Free and Clear Deep Clean pack, and $3 back for the 5-in-1 pack. That's a total of $11 in cash back, making your final net total for all 3 $11.22. Next, you can grab 2 bottles of the Persil Activewear laundry detergent. It has to be the Activewear variety, priced at $12.97. 2 of those will run you $25.94, so you want to go ahead and clip that $5 off $25 laundry basket coupon. You'll pay $20.94 out of pocket, but then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back for each bottle for a total of $8. That makes your final net total $12.94 for both, so this is basically like a buy one, get one free deal. You can do the exact same deal for the Persil Ultra Packs, priced at $12.97. You want to grab 2, and your total is $25.94, so you use that $5 off $25 basket coupon. You'll pay $20.94 out of pocket, but get back $4 for each one on Ibotta for a total of $8, making your final net total for both $12.94. Now, the cool thing is that $5 off $25 basket coupon is unlimited, so you can do one of these deals, or you can do them all to stock up on laundry detergent. Another laundry care scenario is to grab 3 boxes of the 7th generation laundry detergent sheets, priced at $14.99 each. as well as a bottle of the 7th generation fabric softener priced at $5.47. Here's an example of the items that you should have in your cart, and the retail value for all 4 items is $50.44. Since you're grabbing over $15 worth of participating 7th generation products, you want to clip this unlimited $5 off $15 basket coupon. That coupon will apply 3 times, taking off a total of $15. And also clip this unlimited $5 off $25 basket coupon for laundry care products. That'll apply twice, taking off a total of $10. You then want to check your fetch account for this offer for 3,000 points or $3 for each one for a total of 9,000 points or $9. Once it's all said and done, your final net total for this is $16.44. Another 7th generation deal that you can do is grab 5 packs of these triple action clean dishwasher packs priced at $9.98 and clip this unlimited $5 off $15 basket coupon. That coupon will apply 3 times, taking off $15, leaving you to pay $34.90 out of pocket. You then want to check your fetch account for this offer for 2,300 points or $2.30 for each pack for a total of $11.50. After all offers, your final net total for all 5 packs is $23.40. We have a couple of baby deals this week. The first one is for the Nobi toddler plates or the bowls priced at $1.88, as well as the cups priced at $1.98. There's an unlimited $1 off digital coupon that'll make each one of these either 88 to 98 cents each. For the final deal, we have these A+D Treat and Heal creams priced at $5.47, and you'll pay that out of pocket. You can estimate your receipt to Ibotta for $2.74 cash back, and also check your fetch account for this offer for 2,000 points or $2. After both offers, your final net total is just 73 cents, and the fetch offer has the lowest limit, which is 3. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for this week's Best HEB Deals video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget too about the printable list down in the description below that you can print out and take to the store with you to make shopping all of these deals easy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.